What's up, girlies? My name is Rebecca-Louise and welcome to my channel. Today, we are doing an amazing workout that you are going to love. We are doing a no weights upper body and it's all on the floor, so you don't even have to get standing. And because you are one of my amazing followers and subscribers here on YouTube, and you have been with me for over a decade, I wanted to give you something for free because you deserve it. So I have created a very special video that gives away my 3-step process to how you can get results. Over the last decade, I have learned so much about how to stay motivated, what to eat, and also the right exercises to do. And I thought, you know what? Let me just give you away my 3-step process to help you get the results that you're looking for. So all you gotta do is click on the link below, sign up, and you'll be able to get access to my 3-step process completely for free. All right, make sure you sign up for that, and then let's get started with today's workout and work your upper body. Today's workout, we are doing 40 seconds of exercise, and we have got a nice 20-second rest to help us get ready for that next exercise. And we're gonna do everything on the floor today. So our first exercise, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit of moving our arms. We're gonna do some tricep dips. We're gonna do some side little planks, and I'm gonna give you modifications for everything. So whether you are brand new to exercise, whether you just need to come back because you've been away for a little bit, or you're just having a bit of a rest day, this is gonna be the perfect workout for you. So we're gonna take those arms out to the side, and we're just gonna take little arm circles going backwards. Now, whatever you feel is comfortable, if you wanna just sit down, you wanna cross your legs, no problem, you can do that as well. And look, this is the perfect workout to do when maybe you're feeling just like a little bit sleepy and you're like, oh, I don't even want to stand up today. No problem. I'm gonna take away all of your excuses so that you can get a workout done no matter what. So drop those shoulders down, lifting up through your chest, and take those tiny little arm circles going backwards. And just relax your stomach so that you're not holding your breath, and breathe. Drop your shoulders down, lift up a little bit more through your chest, and you've got this for 5 and 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, make sure that you've always got hydration next to you. You've also always got some water next to you that's got electrolytes in it. And in that 3-step process that I'm talking about, I'm gonna give you a little bit of insight as well about nutrition. And that's gonna help you stay hydrated through your workout and also give you a little bit of energy too. All right, guess what? We're gonna take those arm circles going backwards. So here we go. Tiny little arm circles going backwards, lifting up through your chest and dropping your shoulders down and giving yourself a nice little smile. All right, here we go. 30 seconds left. That's all you've got. And then we are going to keep on moving through this workout. All of it just down on the ground. Okay, here we go. Drop your shoulders. Lift up that chest just a little bit more. Give yourself a smile. You're here. You made it. That's the most important part. All right, here we go. Tiny little circles going backwards. You have got 10 seconds left right here. Try and lengthen even further. Thinking about having a nice long line from one fingertips all the way to the other. In 3, in 2, in 1, and gently release. Stop right there. All right, I'm gonna get you back to our workout, but I have got something very exciting that I want to share with you. Now, you guys are my favorites. The YouTube community, you are my OGs. You've been with me for over a decade. And a lot of you guys haven't even got started on what's gonna get you results. Yes, if you have not yet started my burn method, which is exclusive inside of my burn app, then I have got something very special for you today. Just because you're my OGs and you're my favorite, I'm giving you 30% off the burn method that's inside of the burn app. You are not gonna wanna miss this opportunity. You're already doing the free workouts on YouTube, which is great, and it's kind of gonna get you like a 5 to 10% result. However, if you wanna get real results, you need to start the burn method. I'm gonna give you the exact workouts to do on the exact days to make sure that you never hit a plateau and you get those results as quick as possible. Plus, we've got all the nutrition, because I say it's 20% fitness, 80% nutrition, and we have a whole mindset section too, because we have 100% mindset. So before you do anything else, download the Burn app and get your 30% off. The link is right here and in the description, and start my burn method today and start seeing what all the fuss is about. All right, let's get back to the workout. Okay, we're gonna take it into some tricep dips. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your hands and you're gonna put them directly underneath your shoulders, okay? And all we're gonna do is we're gonna press into your hands. And the really important thing here is it doesn't matter how big the movement is, we're really gonna focus on your elbows going up and down. That's it. We do not wanna be moving your hips up and down. A lot of times we get this, we're not doing hip thrusts. We are very slowly going down, and then press up, get that full range of motion, and slowly down. That's it, keeping both elbows going straight back, and then press up, just nice and slow and controlled, working your triceps, and then tearing those muscles to build them back stronger. Isn't that crazy? That's why you feel the burn, because we're actually tearing the muscles down, which is why it's so important of what you feed your body afterwards, which is what I talk about in my 3-step process, to actually repair. Otherwise, you're just ripping your muscles down and they're never gonna grow. All right, we're gonna take it up into a push-up, nice and wide. All you're gonna do is bring those hands, you're gonna do it on the outside of your mat, and we're gonna come down onto our knees. You're gonna come forward so that you're resting on the top part, almost like it's on your thighs. Bring those hands nice and wide, hold the core in tight, and we're just gonna go down halfway, and then you're gonna press all the way up, and then hold. So gently all the way down, breathing in and breathing out. That's it. You've got this. Slow and controlled. Don't worry about going all the way down. I just want you to focus on going halfway down to really make sure that we're keeping a straight line from your head all the way through to your shoulders, all the way through to your hips and into your knees. There we go. Nice work. All the way down and press. Keep going. You have just got 10 seconds left. See if you can just get a few more in right here. Remember to get that full range of extension as you go down, and then most importantly, as you come up to the top. Here we go. Give me one more. Hold there for 3, 2, 1, and press. Nice work. All right, here we go. Give it a little bit of a rotation from those wrists to left to right, and we're going to take it into lateral arm raises, left and right. Okay, here we go. Nice work. Take a nice big breath in, and a nice big exhale out. Okay, so you're going to come onto your hands and knees, elbows nice and straight, hands directly underneath your shoulders, and you're going to pull your core in nice and tight, and we're just going to take those arms out to the side. So that's it. Lift up and then extend down. Here we go. Belly button's pulled in, out, and just tap the floor and bring that arm all the way back up, straight out to the side. Here we go. Looking good. And then just relax. There we go. Nice work. Really think about all of that tension in your shoulder and your back. So squeeze your back together. Don't think about using your kind of hand. Think about using the back to lift up your arm. That's it. Slow and controlled. And breathe. So good. 3, 2, 1, and release. Sit back on your booty. Rotate your hands from left and right, and just bring your hands on the top of your thighs right here. Release those shoulders down, and just close your eyes. Take a nice big breath in. And a nice big exhale out. We're going to take the same thing on the other side. So again, think about using your shoulder to lift up your arm, okay? Because we want to get that mind to muscle connection. So that's it. Use the shoulder to lift up. Here we go. So good. Extend and release. That's it. Here we go. Pull that core in nice and tight, and then extend the arm out to the side. Lift it up maybe just an inch or two higher. Press down in that supporting hand, and then lift up even more. That's it. You're doing so good, so strong. We've just got 10 seconds left on this side, so do not quit. Press even further down into the hand to lift up that chest just a little bit more. And here we go for 5. Use that shoulder. 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, rotate those hands from left to right. We're going to come down onto the side, and we're going to take it into like a little press. So whichever side that you want to start on, no problem. All you're going to do is you're going to come here, and then you're just going to lift up. So you've got like a tiny little pulse up and down here. You can bring this other hand a little bit further away, and all we're doing is we're going to press up and down. Here we go. You want to make it a little bit more challenging, you can bring that hand all the way up and hold it on the side of your head. Modified version, you're just going to come up and down right here. So you're really working this muscle. That's it. Keep those feet close together, and then press down and lift. Here we go. Whichever way that feels best for you today, just press down into that arm so that you're getting that arm under tension. You can feel that arm is under tension the whole time. No matter what your other arm is doing, you can feel that. Now try and press down a little bit more to get the full range. That's it. Extend that arm out for 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Okay, coming over to the other side. We are flying through this workout. Amazing work, everybody. So same thing here on the other side. All you're going to do is you're going to press. So you're really working this here. So whichever way feels good to you, but get that full range of motion, and then come down. Here we go. Go for it. 40 seconds is on the clock. Press and release. That's it. Remember to keep on breathing, and then gently come down And as you press into those hands, nice straight arm all the way up. So good. So strong. Smile through it. Every single rep. It counts. You're doing so good. Keep your feet together. Squeeze your thighs together, but really focus on that upper body. Get that full range of motion as you come down. Press up nice and high. Full range. Get that arm nice and straight. See? Straight right here. You got this. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. All right. Give those arms, whoo, can really start to feel it in those triceps. All right, we're gonna take it into arm pulses up and down, and then we're gonna finish up with our narrow push-ups. So, whichever way that you wanna take a nice seat, bring your hands on the outside, just relax right here, and take a big deep breath. All right, we're gonna bring those arms out to the side. We're gonna take it into little pulses up and down. So drop your shoulders, lifting up through your chest, and little pulses right here. We did circles at the beginning, and now we're gonna take those pulses down. We're gonna take the pulses going up, and then we're gonna take it into a narrow push-up. Okay, here we go. Whew, those arms are on fire, right? I'm definitely feeling that tingle on the side. Here we go, come on, keep those arms lifted. Anytime that you feel like you wanna drop them, you just say, hey, I'm not gonna drop them, I'm gonna hold them up a little bit higher. Here we go, little pulses out to the side. Breathe through it, and you've got this. So strong, keep this body moving. Keep those pulses up and down, and gently release. Oh, Penny, hi, cutie. Are you gonna come say hi? Come here. Come here. Oh, let me just get you. Come here. Come here. There we go. Look, come and take a seat. Did you want to say hi to everybody? There we go. That's a good spot for you. Okay, we're gonna do pulses going up. Okay, so little pulses up and down. Good girl. Stay. Hi. Did you want to come say hi to everybody? You're doing so good. You're almost as good as Alfie. Oh, are you as good as Alfie? Are you as good as Alfie? Yeah. Do you miss Alfie too? Uh-huh. I know. He is a bit better at staying in the video. Penny's like, hey, I'm over this now. Alfie's gone. I don't have to do anything anymore. Sit. There we go. Everybody wants to see you. You're the best part, pretty much, of this video. So don't go anywhere. Penny, listen to me. All right, here we go. We got this. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. See? Good job. Oh, somebody wants some cuddles. Okay, we got one more exercise to do, and then I'll do some cuddles. How about that? One more exercise. How does that sound? All right, we're going to do some tricep dips right here. So you come here. There we go. Sit. We're going to bring those hands directly underneath your shoulders. Hi. Oh, I'm getting kisses. And all we're going to do is we're going to go halfway down, and then we're going to come all the way up. So halfway down, and then come back up again. That's it. So squeeze that core nice and tight, and up, and she's off. All right, here we go. Last exercise right here, everybody. You got this. Really thinking about squeezing your elbows in towards your waist and then pressing up to get that full range of motion. That's it. Make it a little bit easier. You can come onto your knees. If you want to go into that full range, just come up onto your toes. Again, all these exercises are done with different variations. So wherever you're at right now, doesn't matter. It's matter that you are here. All right, here we go. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Boom! You crushed it. All right, gosh, my arms are feeling it definitely today. So you don't even always need weights. You don't even always have to stand up. We just showed today that it doesn't matter where you're doing your workouts, what workout you're doing. The most important part is that you are doing it. All right, I've given you another workout to do. If you're like, this was just a great little warm-up, I'm ready for some more. And of course, if you haven't already signed up for that 3-step process, make sure that you do, because it's going to change the trajectory of your results. All right, amazing job, girlies. I'll see you next time.